Yeah, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I just want to share my experience that how are these Technosport t-shirts. Basically, these are like sports t-shirts. The material here is you can observe 100% micro polyester antibacterial material. So this is okay. This is of my size. Technosport XL42. Coming to the fabric quality, this is what I want to share my experience all about. See here, if you can see the threading, small threads here, and when you wear it on your body, the body comfort, the skin comfort is really cool. Means you'll feel that fabric comfort on your body. So especially the fitting is really good. First of all, a t-shirt should be a little more stiff enough. To be honest, this is not stiff enough, but the other same t-shirt which I have on Technosport, that is a bit different, and that is even more best suit for my body. Means that fitting is very best suit. This is okay, but the skin comfort is same here. And I bought this on Flipkart, I guess. I got this on Flipkart for 380 rupees per piece. Means I bought totally four t-shirts. Yeah, I need to iron this one because I folded this and kept in my wardrobe, and this got a slight wrinkles. I need to just iron this a little bit. Yeah, be careful while you iron this one. This is a polyester cotton. See here, micro polyester cotton. Only if you have this tag, then only you should buy this. Yeah, anyway, I'll attach these products. If you want to check, you can check.